Well, hello, my beautiful friends. It is that time of the day when you must go to sleep. It is time to rest, to relax, to release, to dream of beautiful things, and wake up feeling energized, renewed, and ready for your day. So now it's time to relax. Just take in a breath and notice how sleepy you are. You're becoming more and more sleepy with every breath, with every second that passes by. You are so sleepy. That's right. So sleepy now. Just each breath helping you relax, release, let go. So sleepy now. You can't even keep your eyes open. You're so tired, completely comfortable, relaxing more and more, so relaxed, so sleepy. You're so sleepy. Just releasing your day from your mind, releasing tomorrow from your mind, and just relaxing. Noticing that your bed is becoming more and more comfortable, holding you, relaxing you. That's right. You are so sleepy, so sleepy now. So sleepy. Your dreams are waiting for you. That's right. Just releasing all the thoughts that come to your mind. Allowing your mind to take a break, to relax. If you want, imagine the number 3 in your mind, and just see that 3 again, and one more time, that 3. And every part of your body relaxes to the deepest relaxation you've ever felt, relaxing you deeply, completely. Every muscle is released. All pain has disappeared. All discomfort is gone. And now your body can relax into the most peaceful, comfortable relaxation of your life. And now see the number 2. And your mind goes to the most serene, relaxing place where it can release, feel safe, let go. Where you can stop planning, stop overthinking, and just relax. That's right. You're so sleepy now. Relaxing, releasing, letting go. That's right. And now you see the number 1. And your mind and your body deeply, completely relax. into the state of sleep, allowing you to receive sleep, to allow sleep to come. And you are so sleepy. And you relax into the most amazing sleep. You just drift off to sleep so effortlessly, so naturally, so willingly, knowing that tomorrow you will wake up feeling refreshed, and you can go back to thinking and doing your to-do list and worrying if you would like. But tonight, right now, you must sleep. It is time to sleep, and you must allow yourself this gift of sleep, of relaxation, of renewal. So go ahead and sleep now. Just relax, release. You are so sleepy. You are so sleepy now. Right now, in this moment, you can sleep. So do so. You can sleep right now. Allow yourself to embrace the sleep that is coming over you. Just sleep now. That's right. Just sleep. Allow yourself to sleep. That's right. Just sleeping now. You are so sleepy. That's right. Sleep is your friend, and you allow it to come, and so you sleep. Your eyes are so heavy, and they want to stay closed. Your body wants to stay relaxed. Your mind wants to stay relaxed. So now it is time to sleep. You must sleep now. You must go to sleep right now. And now you sleep, remembering that you are enough, you matter. You make a difference in this world. Your life is important. And your sleep is so important. And so now it is time to sleep. That's right. Go to sleep now. Get your rest. Now it is time